Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Welcome to AdvancedGearRepairs.com and our YouTube channel. Advanced Gear Repairs is your one-stop power transmission shop. We specialize in repairing, rebuilding, and replacing industrial gearboxes, speed reducers, and power transmission drives. Today's video is all about Marley Gearbox repair service. This video here demonstrates the type of services we provide, the vast range of our capabilities, and especially the quality of work that we attend to. Please stay tuned as we show you some great before and after pictures, video footage of the actual spiral bevel and helical gear manufacturing process, and finally, a gearbox test run. The teardown process. Upon teardown and inspection, Advanced Gear Repair will write up a failure analysis report with photographic evidence and formal quote to move forward with one out of three options. A. Repair. B. Rebuild. C. Replacement. After receiving proper approval from our customers, we will immediately start the repair, rebuild, or replacement process. All parts manufactured are guaranteed to meet or exceed OEM specifications. When doing a repair or rebuilding service, we always replace all hardware, all seals, all bearings, all shims, and all gaskets will be replaced to ensure a long-lasting overhaul. We don't cut corners here at Advanced Gear Repairs. We pride ourselves to be the fastest in the industry, now offering rush 24-hour turnaround time and free nationwide freight. All drives are fully tested before shipping to our customers. While our competitors make you wait a few days just for a quote, we finish this in a 48 rush. Look, we're so confident in our work, we will issue a inspection match guarantee and a minimum 1-year full warranty on all parts manufactured and made to order. Thank you so very much for watching this video. If you want to see more like this, be sure to like and subscribe. For more info about our company or Marley Gearbox repair services, please visit advancedgearrepairs.com or call us 24/7 310-855-2620.